Hello guys and welcome back to Yuvan's Tech tutorial. Today we are going to be learning how to fix try downloading failed video again YouTube problem. If you are experiencing issue with trying to download a video from YouTube on your phone, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot the problem. First of all, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable or active internet connection. A poor or unstable connection can lead to download failures. Use YouTube Premium if available in your region. YouTube Premium allow you to download video for offline viewing without any additional apps or software. It might be more reliable option. After that, update YouTube app. For that, open up Google Play Store on your phone and search for YouTube. Tap on it. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Make sure you have the latest version of the YouTube app installed on your phone. Outdated versions may have bugs or compatibility issue. After that, clear YouTube app cache. For that, open up phone setting. In settings, scroll down and tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps and search for YouTube. Tap on YouTube app. In YouTube app info, tap on storage. In the bottom you can see here clear data. Tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. If none of the above steps work, you can try uninstalling the app and then reinstalling it from the Google Play Store. Verify video availability for download. Not all videos on YouTube are available for download due to copyright restriction. Make sure the video you are trying to download allow for offline viewing. If none of the above steps work, you can try reaching out to YouTube official support for further assistance. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.